and baking soda and white and then in the jar. And we have this with food coloring and we have water.
Now the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna pour the water into the jar. Now we're gonna put a couple drops of food coloring in the jar.
That was like a big fire together. Gonna put the baking soda. Dun, 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 dun. Yay! And mixing, whoa, whoa, whoa. Mixing, whoa, whoa, whoa. Mixing. I'm singing one of my best songs. Mixing, whoa, whoa, whoa. Mixing, whoa. So we're gonna add the white. Yippee! Nah. Come. Think you're gonna want it.